Putting compression socks on can be a very difficult and daunting task, especially if you have never been instructed on how to do so, or if you're new to the compression world. Today, Bioped Foot Care will show you our guide on how to put compression socks on easily in under a minute. You're definitely going to want to see this. In the past, compression garments have been looked at as being dull and ugly, which is no longer the case. Compression socks now come in a variety of colors and styles to match your outfit and personality. There are now several different styles of compression socks and different levels of compression, which can be best suited to your individual needs. Whether it be for activity, leisure, or everyday use, we have the perfect pair of compression stockings for you. Once you find the perfect pair of compression socks, it's important to learn how to put them on in an effective and timely manner. The first thing you can do is determine which sock goes on which foot. Some pairs of compression socks have a marking that is specific to each foot. The right foot will have an R and the left foot will have an L. This will make it easy to know which sock goes on which foot. Now, we'll show you how to put those compression socks on in under a minute in just a few simple steps. So start those timers. To start, find somewhere to sit that is comfortable and allows you to easily reach both feet and legs. Next, grab a sock, ensuring you put it on the proper foot. Reach your hand into the garment and match the palm of your hand up to the heel of the sock. Once lined up, you're going to take the length of the sock and pull it over the foot portion of the sock. At this step, your sock should look half inverted while leaving an opening to insert your foot into. Put your foot into the sock and line the heel portion up to the heel of your foot. After lining the heels up, you will pull the length portion of the sock over your calf and adjust it as necessary. Make sure there are no wrinkles or bunches anywhere in the socks. This is very important. One other thing you can do to help make the compression socks go on easier is wear rubber gloves or compression donning gloves, which help assist with grip. This method of application is the same with or without gloves. However, gloves certainly help make a difference with your socks, especially when dealing with a higher level of compression. To schedule a risk-free assessment and to speak to one of our foot care experts to find the perfect pair of compression socks for you, visit your local Bioped Foot Care clinic. To find a clinic near you, visit www.bioped.com/locations.